So let me show you how to uninstall apps from your MacBook Neo. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is navigate to Finder. Once you open Finder, on the left-hand side, you want to go to Applications, and you can see all your apps inside Finder. So find the app you want to delete or uninstall. If it's this one, for instance, simply press with one button on your trackpad and use the other finger to drag it to the bin. Then it's going to say the application is hosting a system, whatever. It might give you an error trying to prompt you not to uninstall it. But once you confirm, that app gets uninstalled and disappears from your applications folder. Now you can also go ahead and empty the recycle bin or empty bin just to permanently delete all the files for that particular application. And you can do that for any app you want to uninstall. Thanks for watching and good luck.